Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the camera quality on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store or the App Store on your device and search for Snapchat. Tap the results shown. If your app is not up to date, an update button will be shown. So tap Update. The newest version of Snapchat means there are bug fixes. So your camera quality might improve. Check if the problem is fixed. If the Snapchat quality is not fixed yet, open Snapchat and tap the profile icon at the top left. On the profile page, tap the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and under the Who Can section, tap Lenses. Tap Clear Local Lens Data and tap Clear to confirm. Similarly, tap Clear All Lens Data and tap Clear to confirm. Once you do that, restart your device and check if the problem is fixed. If there is still a problem, go to the Settings, scroll down, and under Account Actions, tap Clear Cache and tap Continue to confirm. Your camera quality should be fixed now. And that's how you fix the camera quality on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.